Hi, I'm Craig Phillips and I'm often asked, what can I use instead of traditional putty around my windows? Old-fashioned putty around your window frames, both inside and out, have been doing the job for many years, and some people still prefer to use these type of products. However, there is a newer technology that's much easier to apply and works out more cost effective. This is 3C's paintable putty, which is a hybrid polymer-based alternative to putty in a tub. It's simply gunned out of a standard mastic sealing gun. Then it's tooled off to a smooth finish in situ against the window frame. The beads create the perfectly good, secure, waterproof seal that can be painted over, as it suggests in the name, paintable putty. Now, if you're looking for more inspiration or how-to videos, follow us on all social media handles. And of course, if you want to know more about the products, just check out their website.